Ontonagon man is accused of embezzling from an elderly woman. Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel says Richard Filbey faces 5 felony counts, including 3 counts of embezzlement and 2 counts of filing false tax returns. The Attorney General says Filbey caused the woman to surrender more than $275,000 to annuities while acting as her power of attorney starting in late 2018. According to the AG's office, Filbey is also accused of selling property the victim owned in Lapeer and used the proceeds for himself. Filbey is scheduled to be back in court for a probable cause conference on September 19th.